What's going on, folks? I'm going to be showing you how you would change out your belt on a Dirt Devil. It's probably the same for multiple different types of it. This happens to be an Endura Max, but most likely it's going to be the same on a lot of them. I'm going to show you in a second. Alright, folks, so basically what you got to do is once you turn your Dirt Devil right side up like this to where the bottom's up, you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. And you'll have one down here that you remove out. 6 screws on this one. Yeah, once you get all 6 of those screws out, one here, 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 and one down here. Once you get that out, this will be a good time also if you want to go ahead and clean out the bottom of this, because it can get really dirty. But right here you can see your belt right here, and all you have to do is just take your roller, pull it out just like that pretty much. And once you do that, of course if your old belt is broken, it'll just come loose, and it just basically just goes around this little, you see down there, it just goes around that little roller right there. This is what your belt looks like right here. That's just a little bar. You just kind of want to squeeze your belt, get it around that little bar right there. You can see down here, you may take something and get around that little bar. And once you do that, if you can see this right here, this is your roller. And sometimes your roller may not be rolling as well also, because you could have a bunch of like carpet string and all that around it. So this is a good time also to go ahead on and clean a lot of this carpet that's wrapped around here. Just kind of take it and pull all this stuff off, as well as you want to clean your brushes and all that and get a lot of this stuff off of it. That's going to help it to work better. But anyways, once you're done with that, you ready to put it back in, you'll see this little ball part right here. This part right here goes back into your Dirt Devil right over here. This side goes on this side. You just kind of want to take it around the side like that. And then you want to have get your belt, put it back around where that ball's at. Right there. Put it around where that ball is at. And then when you're sticking it back on, if you look at the ends of it here, you'll see like these 2 parts that stick out. Almost like 2 ears. You want those 2 ears to face towards you. And you just want to kind of stretch it up. Pretty simple. You just want to stretch it up. Get it inside of there. Then you want to do the same thing the other side. Have those 2 ears, the 2 big ears, sticking towards you. Kind of want to press it in now. That side's on. And just slide it back in like that pretty much. If you see the belt right here, you may just want to go ahead and move it back over a little bit if you want to. But once you turn it on, it'll put the belt back into the correct spot pretty much. See how I'm turning it? It's going back into the correct spot right there. Then once you've done that pretty much, now all you have to do now, so it's a good time for you when you have this open to go ahead and clean all this string off of your brushes, as well as just got to give your vacuum a good clean. Oh, another note is when you're putting the bottom part back on here, make sure that this part right here, you saw this came out, this right here just has like 2 little parts right here, and you see right here there's like 2 little openings, like 2 little mouths that's right here. And all you're doing is just push it straight, just take it straight, push it in just like that. And you want to hold this up, hold that up like this, so when you put the bottom back on, you want that to be up like that so it won't fall all the way out. Because if you put this back on first, then when you put this on, this is not going to work right. So make sure that you have this all the way up like that, and then go ahead and put this over top of it like that. Then go ahead and put your 6 screws back in, and you'll be good to go. Alright folks, once again, this is how you be changing out a belt on a Dirt Devil. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.